Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. Today, as promised, I have your eyebrow tutorial for you guys. So basically what I do with my eyebrows, I would normally shape them up if it needs shaping, and then I go ahead with a dark eyeliner pencil and I outline the way how my eyebrows are already shaped. I go ahead and I take a spoolie and I brush the hairs up and I brush the product into my brows. Next, I go in with a light brown pencil and I just create hair-like strokes in the front of my brows, just making it look more natural. Now if you'll see here, I take this brown liner pencil and I just fill in the sparse areas. I don't want it to be too dark. So then I go ahead and create like an arch. That's like my signature look. I have this arch on my brows. So I create a very light arch, and then I go ahead and clean it up with whatever mistakes I had made. Using the BH Cosmetics Foundation and Concealer 2 palette, I'm going with this dark color here. It is very close to my skin. This specific part right here is where a lot of people mess up, or they tend to get scared because they see people using light colors. Sometimes honestly I do use light colors, but if I have the product and I already purchased it, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish it out. But anyway, next what I go in with is this fluffy end brush and I just blend those colors into my skin. That's why I say it's necessary for you to get a concealer that is very close to your skin tone, because you know, if you've already completed your entire face like I've done here, you don't want to have a lot of product on your face that you have to wipe away or you have to blend in, and then you have this big halo look over your forehead and then the rest of your face looks a different color. So basically you just want to make sure that it matches your skin tone. I'm just gonna fast forward the other eyebrow and then you guys can just see the finished look.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
So we're coming to the end of this tutorial, guys. I sure hope that you enjoyed yourselves. I sure hope that you've learned something from it. Go ahead and share this video, like if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. I do have a eyelash tutorial coming next, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.